The Honda Metropolitan 2026 arrives as a perfect symbol of urban freedom, simplicity, and smart American-style commuting. Designed for riders who want efficiency without sacrificing personality, this scooter blends modern styling with proven Honda reliability. From busy city streets to quiet neighborhood rides, the Metropolitan is built to make every short trip enjoyable, affordable, and stress-free. At first glance, the 2026 Honda Metropolitan keeps its iconic retro-inspired look, but with subtle refinements that give it a fresh and youthful vibe. The rounded body panels, clean lines, and compact proportions make it instantly recognizable. Honda offers new color options for 2026, combining bold pastels and classic tones that appeal to both younger riders and experienced commuters. The minimalist design doesn't just look good, it keeps the scooter lightweight and easy to handle. Powering the Honda Metropolitan 2026 is a reliable 49cc liquid-cooled, 4-stroke engine. This engine is designed for efficiency, smoothness, and long-term durability. It delivers just the right amount of power for city riding, allowing riders to keep up with traffic in urban areas while remaining easy to control. The automatic CVT transmission means there's no clutch or gear shifting, making it ideal for beginners or anyone who wants a simple, twist-and-go riding experience. One of the strongest highlights of the Metropolitan is its exceptional fuel efficiency. Honda has fine-tuned the engine to deliver impressive mileage, making it one of the most economical scooters available in the United States. Riders can expect long distances on a small amount of fuel, which is perfect for daily commuting, college campuses, or running errands around town. With rising fuel prices, the Metropolitan stands out as a smart financial choice. Comfort is another area where the 2026 Honda Metropolitan shines. The seat is wide, well padded, and positioned at a low height, making it accessible for riders of all sizes. The upright riding position reduces fatigue, even during longer rides. The flat floorboard provides plenty of legroom and allows riders to easily carry small bags or groceries between their feet. Handling on the Metropolitan is light and confident. Thanks to its low center of gravity and lightweight frame, maneuvering through traffic or parking in tight spaces feels effortless. The suspension is tuned for urban environments, absorbing bumps and uneven road surfaces with ease. Whether you're riding on smooth city roads or slightly rough pavement, the scooter remains stable and predictable. Honda has equipped the 2026 Metropolitan with practical features that enhance everyday usability. Under-seat storage provides space for essentials like a helmet, backpack, or personal items. A hook on the front allows for hanging bags, making grocery runs simple and convenient. The ignition system is straightforward, and the scooter starts reliably in all weather conditions. Safety is always a priority with Honda, and the Metropolitan reflects that philosophy. The braking system offers smooth and consistent stopping power, giving riders confidence in busy traffic situations. The tires provide excellent grip on both dry and wet surfaces, helping maintain stability during sudden stops or sharp turns. Bright headlights and taillights ensure visibility during night rides or early morning commutes. The 2026 Honda Metropolitan is especially popular among new riders. Its lightweight design, low seat height, and predictable power delivery make it extremely beginner-friendly. Riders transitioning from bicycles or public transportation will find the Metropolitan easy to learn and enjoyable from the first ride. At the same time, experienced riders appreciate it as a reliable second vehicle for short trips. Maintenance is another strong advantage. Honda's engineering ensures long service intervals and low ownership costs. Routine maintenance like oil changes and inspections are simple and affordable, and Honda's widespread dealer network across the United States makes servicing convenient. This scooter is built to last, maintaining its performance and reliability year after year. Environmentally conscious riders will also appreciate the Metropolitan's low emissions. Honda has optimized the engine to meet strict environmental standards while maintaining performance. For city dwellers looking to reduce their carbon footprint, this scooter offers a cleaner alternative to cars for short-distance travel. In everyday life, the Honda Metropolitan 2026 feels like more than just transportation, it feels like freedom. It allows riders to skip traffic jams, avoid parking hassles, and enjoy the open air during daily commutes. Whether riding through downtown streets, suburban neighborhoods, or campus roads, the Metropolitan turns ordinary trips into relaxing experiences. In the American market, the Honda Metropolitan continues to be a symbol of practicality and style. It's affordable, easy to ride, and backed by Honda's reputation for quality. For students, young professionals, retirees, or anyone seeking a fun and economical way to get around, the Metropolitan delivers exactly what it promises. The 2026 Honda Metropolitan proves that you don't need a large engine or high speed to enjoy the ride. With its charming design, excellent fuel economy, user-friendly performance, and dependable build quality, it remains one of the best scooters for urban America. Simple,